So this is happening. Earlier today, my sister was playing with my stress ball and she popped it. So I had this great idea to just cut it open. Even though this pineapple Orbeez ball was very cheap, I still really liked it. But since it popped, I guess I'm going to cut it. Rip. It's kind of satisfying. And there's so many. Well, my pineapple stress ball lives a good life, I guess. At least it's fun to play with. I have no clue what I'm going to do with all these Orbeez. I might just throw them away. I have no clue. Anyways, that was the end of this Orbeez cutting video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!